The United Kingdom Overseas Territories Conservation Forum and the Turks and Caicos Department of Education has teamed up to produce the Environmental Education Program. And first on the list of projects is the conservation of our most precious resource, water. Project consultant Ann Pinkowski explains.
What is happening today is this is the first workshop to introduce the first materials for a wonderful water curriculum. The idea came originally from Mr. Edgar Howell, who's the Director of Education, and he was concerned that young people today don't know enough about the water resources and their importance in the Turks and Caicos Islands. So between us, we devised a project which we were lucky enough to get funding from the Overseas Territories Environment Programme for, to produce a curriculum for upper primary students and lower secondary, which would give them the information to enable them to value their wetlands and learn about the fact that water is such a critical resource.
Curriculum Officer Sandra Berry said the project, which is still in its draft phase, is aimed at making students more aware of just how critical a resource like water is here in the Turks and Caicos Islands, by first exposing the teachers.
And what we are doing is exposing the teachers to the draft material and the teacher's guide that has been developed to get their feedback on what else we should input or delete. And a part of the workshop also includes us introducing some methodology. There are a lot of changes in methodology, and so we want our teachers to be to provide more pupil-centered lessons. And so we have a teacher demonstrating some of those in today's workshop.
Pinkowski added that the key part of the project is the information that teachers will be taking to their students.
So for the workshop today, we have a group of teachers who are involved in teaching those age groups, and they're going to be taking away with them the draft materials and trying them out with their students and letting us know what else we can do to improve the materials, other things that we can include in it. We want to build on their expertise. They're the people here teaching in the schools. They know what works. They know what doesn't work. We want to encourage active learning, and we're relying on them to help us develop this program to its end.
According to organizers, over the next year, further materials addressing other areas of the wonderful water curriculum will be prepared, and further workshops will be held to introduce the rest of the curriculum materials to participating teachers. For WIV4 News, I'm Denard Sweeting.